What's up everybody? Dom Random here, and today it's beautiful outside, so I thought I'd dust off the old skateboard and maybe, attach an engine to it, see what happens. I think it'd be pretty cool.
Hey, aren't you supposed to be working on the laundry room today? Dude, I know you're in there. Seriously. Laundry room. No skateboards.
Okay.
Thanks. Love you.
What's up everyone? Dom Random here. Today we're going to be making a countertop for my laundry room cabinets. So much fun. Here we go. Okay, so the area where the countertop is going to go is 21 inches by 60 inches. I'm going to cut it to 61 inches by 22 inches, which will give me about an inch of overhang on the side and the front. Luckily, the width of the boards is already 5.5 inches, so 5.5 times 4 is 22, which gives me an inch of overhang. So really all I have to do is cut these down to 61 inches, and then after I cut them down, screw them, glue them, sand it, stain it. Here we go. So now that we have our boards cut to length, I'm going to be using a Craig jig to drill some holes in these boards so that we can mount them together. right, so we got some holes drilled. Let's check them out. Now it's time to screw it together. I'm gonna be using clamps on each side of the board just to keep them flush. So let's see how it goes. All right, well that turned out pretty good. Now it's time to sand. I'm gonna be starting with 40 grit because it's pretty rough. And I'm probably gonna work my way all the way up to 220. So, let's go. All right, so we got it sanded. I think it looks pretty good. Definitely a lot better than it did. Now it's time for the stain. So for the stain, I have this, it's a min-waxed, water-based stain. The color is coastal gray. I don't know, should look pretty good. We'll see how it turns out. Well, it turned out pretty good. Definitely not perfect, but the wife's happy, so happy wife, happy life, you know? Well, anyway, thanks for watching. That's a wrap for today. We'll see you in the next video.